Welcome to the cooking class! Today we are making microwave mug pizza.
Yes, right, we're going to start with 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour.
Okay.
We need to get
we got the mug right here.
4 of these into the mug.
4 of those into the mug. Wait, let me get a knife.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, let me just move that 1 second. Okay.
Right, just need to...
Little bit of history on the knife. It's one of the oldest technologies humanity has. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
scoop the next one.
Alright, that's... I just need... That was a little bit much, so I'm just gonna...
Let me just scrape it off with a knife. Just got a knife for this very point.
Okay, right, got it.
Okay.
Okay.
I just spilled a lot of it on the floor. We can move past that.
Okay, so we've got our flour.
Yeah,
so next
flour.
we need 1/8 of a teaspoon salt.
Okay.
That's fine, yeah. I'll just fill it about halfway.
Okay, there we go.
That should be fine, yeah.
Kapow.
A little bit of salt. Now we're going to need 3 tablespoons of milk.
Salt.
So we have
Taken straight
our
from the
fresh British milk here.
Okay.
Now we need to measure it. This is going to be a bit messy.
Oh.
Can you bring us a bowl, please?
Bring us a bowl.
Bring us a bowl. Right. Alright. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
Right.
1 tablespoon.
Alright. Right, pop her in.
Carefully now.
I'll put it closer so we don't make any spills.
Okay.
The second one.
Okay. Feels so dramatic. Okay, now.
The
One more
last
milk.
one. Pop her in.
Very good. Jobs are good on that. And
Right, we need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spoon.
table.
Tablespoon.
Okay, the big one.
The big one. Olive oil,
Okay,
right.
this is
Yeah, this could be disastrous.
Okay, that's
Good,
enough.
that's perfect.
Enough oil.
Right, okay, we need to mix this together. Right, the milk and the olive oil with the salt and the flour.
Be careful with that.
So it kind of looks a bit like rice pudding. That's the kind of colour you want.
Yes.
Alright, now we...
Rice
I
pudding.
reach into the corner to check for bits of flour.
Yeah, but be sure to do that, yeah. Right, so we need 1 tablespoon of this pesto.
That seems good then.
Okay.
Good, nice. Well, nice. So then we can sprinkle on the cheese after we make sure that the pesto is covering all of the base of the little mug here. Now that we see that it's pretty much covered everything, we can now sprinkle on the cheese we have provided here. Right, I just need to clean this a little bit.
Okay, now cheesy time. Okay, now let's just get a little handful. Let's just nowhere near a little handful, it's a big handful. I think we already have enough.
Let's see what it says. Yeah, we need 1 generous tablespoon. That looks like a generous tablespoon right there. So now we need to sprinkle on the herbs.
The herbs.
Maybe
Oregano.
A pinch of each herb.
get
Half a teaspoon to be exact, but a pinch will do the job. Right, a little bit more, I think.
Move your hand.
The oregano.
Alright, now we need the basil.
The basil.
Okay. Basil.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Now we just need to microwave. How long do we need to microwave it?
Microwave for 1 minute 10 to 20 seconds. Like 1 minute 10 seconds or 1 minute 20. Or until it rises up and the topping are bubbling. Is bubbling.
Alex, can you do the honours of popping our delicious creation into the microwave?
You're covering the microwave. There we go.
Right, now we put it on for 1 minute 20 seconds.
Our plate, Alex.
It doesn't actually look too bad.
No, I need like a cloth to clean out the microwave.
It's actually really nice. It worked great.
Okay.